Welcome to Linux Help, how to install Apache web server on Oracle Linux 9.4. The Apache HTTP Server, commonly known as Apache, is one of the most extensively utilized web server platforms globally. It is highly regarded for its stability, flexibility, and comprehensive feature set, making it an excellent choice for a diverse array of web applications and services. Apache is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Unix, Linux, and Windows, enabling it to accommodate various deployment environments. Check the OS version by following command. Update the package by following command. Install the Apache package by following command. Check the package version by following command. Start the Apache service by following command. Enable the service by following command. Check the service status by following command. Check the IP address by following command. Check the status of firewall service by following command. If enabled, then you will need to allow both ports via firewalled. You can allow them with the following command. To apply the changes by following command. Now need to check in web browser. That's all, the Apache default web page came. These are the steps to install Apache web server in Oracle Linux 9.4. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.